It has never been easier to create your own pro-level academy to sell courses online. But with AcademyPro, it's easy and fast. AcademyPro enables you to convert your knowledge into passive income streams and allows you to sell courses on your own branded Academy marketplace. It gives you 100% control of your traffic, leads, and profits, which you could lose by selling your courses on other third-party marketplaces. AcademyPro is an amazing platform and lets anyone sell courses online in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create a course. Add your video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course, or just choose from 5 red-hot and done-for-you courses to quick start. Step 2. Add a payment method. Add the buy buttons of your favorite payment gateways to accept payments directly in your accounts. Step 3. Publish and profit. Publish your courses on your own Pro Academy and keep 100% of your leads and profits. No sharing at all. No installation, no designing, and no other techie stuff. In just a few minutes, you can publish your own highly engaging and professional online academy loaded with your courses. It's easy, faster, and built with love. With AcademyPro, you can do much more. You can build a pro-level and beautiful academy site that includes a professional marketplace with course listings, a blog, a members area, a lead management system, and a built-in ticketing system in just a few minutes. These are beautiful and proven converting e-learning sites, and they can instantly build your online authority. You can list all your courses on your own branded marketplace and have full control of your business. And these Pro Academy sites are 100% mobile, social media, and SEO ready. You can create courses quickly and easily. Add unlimited video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course to be sold. AcademyPro makes it very easy to create courses on any topic in any niche right from the comfort of your home. Accept marketplace payments with your favorite payment gateway and marketplace. Easily integrate with PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and more. You can even simply add a report and create a free course to build a huge list in any niche. Plus, we are giving 5 done-for-you video courses on 5 hot topics. So even if you're just starting out, you can kickstart your online academy without any hassles. That's not all. It also comes with more than 50 cool features and a commercial license. So we've left no stone unturned to give you an unmatched experience. This is a state-of-the-art solution, and I'm sure that you will love AcademyPro. So just get your hands on AcademyPro to build your online academy, and it will get you up and running 24/7, even while you're sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It's got everything covered. As I already told you, AcademyPro is a cut above the rest. It's quick and easy, it's proven and elegant, and it gives you full control of your e-learning business. Isn't it amazing? Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or pay monthly hosting fees. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. So I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.